Please buy flowers with this shilling when you go, and lay them on my brother's grave for me.
In my emotion I lowered my eyes. The child had earned the shilling with so much toil. I felt like returning it to her, explaining that in our country flowers grow in great profusion. But I considered, why should I deprive her of the joy this sacrifice would give her? She was foregoing so much for love of her brother. The joy of doing it was beyond all price. The grief in her heart would be eased a little. I picked up the shilling. Maggie, I shall use this shilling to buy flowers and put them on your brother's grave.
Goodbye. Remember to write.
Goodbye, Maggie. God bless you.